Sorry, mate. Hey guys, Dean here from Big Dog Builds. We're a little bit late for this October shed walkthrough. Crazy September. I think every month leading up to Christmas is just going to get more and more crazy as the weeks go by. So let's go on a quick walkthrough, starting with this amazing looking F-truck behind us. So our customers are overseas right now. You probably see your car on YouTube before you see it in person, but 5.5-inch E-Venture lift. It's got the progressive leafs in the back. All the optional upgrades that we could do for the conversion. But how good does this satin film look? It already came into us looking amazing with the wheel and tyre combo. There was some scrubbing issues going on inside the flares, so with this larger lift kit, it's going to allow for these big 37s to be able to flex up and really perform the way that they should. So can't beat the E-Venture kit, going from a cheaper lift kit with a 2.0 shocky in there. I can't wait to hear the feedback from this one as to how much better it now drives. On the F-truck theme, we've also got this one back from Slick As. So this thing is looking sick. Little tester there, a little teaser there, we won't go inside, but matte black now, still got a bit of chrome on it. Off-road creative canopy, full walkthrough video coming on this one shortly. Then we spin around and plenty more in the car park as well. This one here, we're just sorting out some rear airbags for it, and then it's done. We've got middle ram, tonneau cover, Carly suspension. We've also got the electric side steps on there as well. So that thing's looking great, performing well. 35-inch Yokohama tyres on the leveling kit there. And then we've done a little reel on Ashley's F250. So this one's heading over to Perth shortly. It's just getting PPF wrapped before the drive over the country. So this thing looks great. Scroll down a few videos and you'll see the reel on this one here. We'll do another walkthrough on that one as we get a little bit closer, but we'll come inside and see what else we've got. So black wheels is starting to run out. Back to the chromies. These machine face wheels from Method, the 312s, going on a white truck. See how good this one looks up the front of David's F-truck here. So yeah, 312, 35-inch Geo Lander, Yokohama tyres there. Good load rating in the 18-inch wheel. We've got the Carly leveling kit in there, so the 3.5-inch kit, radius arms with better caster correction and a few extra little upgrades there. This one's also getting the Titan OEM long-range fuel tank under the back and some airbags to suit that extra load. So not really heavy enough to require a full leaf spring upgrade, but having the airbags in the back there is going to allow that one to control what you have in the back when the van's on the rear. You put a little bit extra air in those airbags. This thing's looking great. Can't wait to see it fully done. And as we spin around, got a couple Chevys in here, a little ZR2. So this one's come in. It was on the hoist last time. It's had exhaust. We've got the battery going under the seat. We've now got powder coat back from powder. We'll get the front bumper back on with the spacers to suit the 35-inch wheels. We've done a little leveling kit on this one with some Dirt King upper control arms. And then we've got Kerry's Chevy 2500 here. So this thing's coming along really, really nice. Waiting on an off-road creative canopy on the back, as well as a front bar combo. We've done the V1 roof rack from Big Dog Builds up top, the work lights on the side, Switch Pro inside to control all your 12-volt loads, and then Lucas's F-truck in the back corner. So mate, we're almost there. This thing's looking great. Got the Baja lights on the front, the full chrome delete, custom chrome delete there, Slick As PPF. It definitely needs wheels and tyres. So stay tuned in the next few weeks and we'll release this one. It is the biggest F-truck we've done when it comes to sort of custom touches. So that colour coding touches on this one, the satin film, satin black roof, full chrome delete, Carly E-Venture 5.5-inch lift kit, progressive leafs in the rear, air on board. You made me very jealous, mate. So if you've got a truck on order and you want to come into Big Dog Builds, give us a call, email us today, and we look forward to hearing from you. This year is coming very, very close to an end, but we look forward to getting you in the process there, getting parts on order, squeezing into the workshop and getting a good build done. Thanks guys, enjoy the rest of October.